Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Japanese kitchen gadgets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Jet Kong 2-piece 12-inch kitchen tweezers tongs. These are not your ordinary tongs. They're precision tools designed for chefs who value control and finesse in their cooking. The package includes 2 different types of tweezers, one with rounded tips for secure gripping and another with pointed tips for tasks requiring fine precision. Both are crafted from food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and lightweight usability. The ergonomic design is a standout feature. The textured grip strips on the handles prevent slippage, and the tweezers are flexible enough to close the gap between the tips perfectly. These are ideal for a wide range of applications, from plating delicate dishes to grilling meats, and even for non-kitchen tasks like gardening or aquarium maintenance. The 12-inch length provides a good balance of reach and control, making them versatile for everyday use. While these tweezers are fantastic for professional chefs and home cooks alike, they may feel a bit specialized for some users who are just looking for basic kitchen tools. Nonetheless, with a stellar 4.7-star rating and over 1,000 reviews, the Jet Kong tweezers are a solid investment for those who want precision in the kitchen. The price isn't listed here, but they offer great value for their utility and build quality. If you're into plating or need a multi-purpose tool, this one's for you. Coming in at number 3 is the Sicily Kitchen Sink Caddy Organizer. This is the budget option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. It's packed with functionality. Made from 304 rust-proof stainless steel, this organizer is designed to keep your sink area tidy. It features an automatic drainage system with a sloped base that prevents water buildup, minimizing the need for frequent cleaning. The design includes 3 separate compartments, allowing you to store sponges, brushes, and soap dispensers all in one place. This thoughtful layout maximizes storage efficiency and keeps your kitchen countertops clutter-free. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the black spray paint finish adds a modern aesthetic to your kitchen. Plus, the organizer is ready to use out of the box, no assembly required. While it's a great space-saving tool, the compact size might be a limitation for those with larger kitchens or extensive cleaning supplies. It's best suited for small to medium households. With a 4.4-star rating and over 4,200 reviews, the Sicily Sink Caddy is a practical, budget-friendly gadget that does what it promises. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Huggy Gems Magnetic Spice Storage Rack Organizer. This 4-pack set is perfect for anyone struggling with limited kitchen space. These racks attach to the side of your refrigerator or any metal surface with strong magnets, allowing you to store spices, condiments, or even small jars within easy reach. The build quality is impressive, with a rust-proof metal finish that ensures durability. Each rack can hold up to 50 pounds, making them incredibly sturdy. They're also collapsible, so you can adjust them to fit your needs. Installation is as simple as placing them on your fridge. No tools or assembly required. The sleek black design complements modern kitchens, and the magnetic feature makes it easy to move them around as needed. The only downside is that they're best suited for homes with metal appliances. If you don't have a magnetic surface to mount them on, these racks won't be as useful. However, with a 4.8-star rating and over 7,800 reviews, the Huggy Gems racks are a top pick for maximizing storage in small kitchens. Finally, at number 1, we have the Aroma Housewares 4 Cups Rice and Grain Cooker. This premium option is a must-have for anyone who loves perfectly cooked rice with minimal effort. It's not just for rice. You can use it for soups, chilies, and even grains. With a one-touch operation and automatic warm mode, it's incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. The build quality is excellent, featuring a non-stick, removable inner pot that's easy to clean. The full-view tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your food as it cooks, and the compact design makes it a great choice for small kitchens. Plus, The adorable pink color adds a touch of personality to your countertop. It's also energy efficient, running on just 250 watts of power. While this cooker is fantastic for its price, its 1-quart capacity might be a limitation for larger families. However, for couples or small households, it's a perfect fit. With a 4.3-star rating and over 13,000 reviews, the Aroma rice cooker is a reliable, high-quality gadget that deserves the top spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.